Who be that?
Na your coach, sir.
Club or country?
Club, sir.
Okay, enter.
Thank you.
Wetin carry you come my house?
Na our Champions League fixture on Tuesday, oh.
Wetin about am?
You know say you don dey reach. I come seek your advice. How many hours you go like make we train before the match? And how you go like make I set information for you on that day?
Remind me again. Na who we dey play?
Na Madrid, oh.
The real one or the fake one?
The real one, sir.
Those my long-time enemies. I go like use the opportunity to remind them who be their papa.
Na wetin I been the reason. Na him make I come.
You don't do well. First of all, you sabi whether Benzema go play for them?
I know too sabi, but my intel dey tell me say him don recover from injury. And Ancelotti fit line am up to start from bench on that day.
Omo, that guy na trouble oh. What of Ramos? Him don recover, abi?
But I dey plan to start am from bench.
You see anytime when you see say Benzema enter pitch, make you carry Ramos enter immediately. Na only am I trust wey go fit counter Benzema effectively.
Okay, sir.
And for that Vinicius boy, wey dey try do pass wetin dem send am, just tell Hakimi make him suffocate the guy as him take do Grealish. I wan dey hear the guy dey shout for oxygen to breathe.
Okay, sir. But what of Courtois?
Wetin do the guy?
I hear say him dey form now, and him no dey gree anything pass enter post, even fly.
Leave that oversized basket for me. I get scores to settle with am. Before I comot Baka, him talk say him dey see me as ordinary player and say him dey catch my ball like ordinary player. I go show am for that match who dey tell ball wetin to do.
Okay, sir. But where you go like make I put Mbappe for you?
About that Mbappe of a boy, I dey suspect am. That boy dey do like say him be double agent for Real Madrid.
You want make I bench am?
No, just put am for him normal position for me. If I see any fuck up for him side, na me go personally knock am enter Madrid boss. Make him follow them go.
For this my life, I know they like things wey go give me too much tension. Now why I dey always find this promo wey dem dey call goalless football, wey dey inside 1xbet. If the game wey I pick no enter, but dem play 0-0 for first half, dem go give me back my money.
No wonder I dey like pack balls for your match.
Sorry, which one be your own again?
See the kind promo wey dey like, goalless football. So you no see other better promos like the M effect, accumulator battle, or even no risk bet.
Wetin concern you for the promo wey I like?
It concern me because it dey encourage your boss packing mentality in life.
Guy, I don tire for this guy. Oya finish the talk. I don leave stage for you.
Come collect your stage oh. I no say make you leave am for me. Anyway, my guys, if una dey go register, no forget to use the promo code GNEXT to take get 200% of your initial deposit to use bet. Read the rules and conditions for any promo wey you wan partake, and make sure say you bet with sense. Thank you. Hey, Mr. Man, where you?
Oga Mourinho, Sarri and Lampard, una welcome.
Hey, Kubala, my guy. Thank you.
Hey, my guy.
Thank you.
Mourinho, you and the Sarri. Why una just the romance na say for that Serie A table?
Wetin you mean?
Week in, week out, una go just dey exchange positions for table.
Na the guy now. Him be monitoring spirit. He no gree leave me.
Now your ancestors and village people they monitor you, not be me.
The guy follow me come Serie A. Even come dey share stadium with me. Nah, he don dey follow me up and down for table.
You declare. If you want to know whether they follow you, try go 17th for table, see whether I go follow you.
I no blame you. If you dey find who go carry you go relegation, go look another side. No be me go carry you go, mumu man.
Kubala, beg no vex. Start your show.
Thank you, sir. Oga Mourinho, Liverpool go land for Italy on Wednesday to clash with Inter Milan for their first leg of Champions League round of 16. From your analysis of how their squad take be, who you think say go get edge over the other?
Liverpool go chop Inter for their home.
Unless their teeth strong reach to chop stone. Because, as I dey see am, them no go get teeth again if them try to chop Inter.
Wetin this mumu dey talk again?
So, with Inter form, you think say Liverpool go just land for their home, collect 3 points just like that?
Mr. Man, close your mouth there, Joe. No be form dem dey take win match. Even if you dey talk form, na Liverpool wey no come dey form.
Okay now, we go see who their form dey form pass.
Oga Lampard, On Thursday, Barca and Napoli go face off for Camp Nou for the Europa Cup. How you think say e go take happen?
That match go tough, oh. As Barca don dey gradually rise small for their confidence and winning mentality, e go hard for Napoli to win them for that Camp Nou, even though Napoli dey better form now. So, I dey reason draw or Barca win for that game.
You for follow tell us wetin you dey use reason am.
Wetin you mean?
I mean say you for tell us whether na yash, heart or brain you dey use reason am.
Morinho, you not suppose add blend inside the options because normal blend no fit reason that kind thing unless na waste material them take make the blend.
Two of una get ancestral problem, oh. So, even with Barca new signings, una still dey write them off.
And you ma come forget say Osimhen and Koulibaly don show full time.
No worry, make we dey watch.
Oga Sarri, as for the biggest game for the midweek, wetin dey predict between PSG and Real Madrid?
I no too dey sure wetin the first leg go be o, but I know say after the round of 16, Madrid go pack their bag go house.
Why?
Because the whole La Liga na watch this season. Their rightful European tournament na Europa Cup.
Because now you carry them come Champions League.
No mind them. Him dey form god of soccer.
You know since all of them don't quick find their levels, it remain for Real Madrid to join them.
As you dey laugh, make you not forget to press that like button and share the video as it dey hot.
As wetting the heart.
I no get time for you.
Wait, where you dey go? You never tell the people wey never subscribe, say make them subscribe oh. If your waka finish, shebi you go come meet me for Stadio Olimpico. We go kill ourselves for there. Momo man.